चालू किए।
Um,
हेलो गाइस, सो आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ बेसिकली कॉफ़ी मशीन्स के पार्ट्स के बारे में, कौन सा क्या है, एंड ग्राइंडर्स के पार्ट्स के बारे में. सो कम क्लोजर. So first, and like this is a coffee machine which is semi-automatic, and this is called groove head. This is a two groove head coffee machine, and this called portafilter. Inside there is a basket for the coffee grinds. So this is the steam point, and this is the hot water spout, and this is a steam lever. You can take it out, steams and all. So you can see several buttons, बहुत सारे buttons हैं. So इनका सारे सबका अलग अलग काम है. Like you can come closer. Like this is the single shot. We can use for this double shot, the single americano, double americano, and this is the star one. You can see the star button. You can press it. You can for like programming the all buttons. You can press it and hold, and you can program the machines. So come this side. So you can see there is a like regulator. You can see something in the display. So we can set, like you can check like the steam pressure and the water pressure, and you can see I set my water temperature in 122 degrees Celsius right now. So you can see what is the temperature right now of your water. So according you can set it. So come this side. So this is called a coffee grinder. Okay. So start with the top. This is a hopper lid. These whole things which are holding the coffee beans, that's called a hopper. Okay, this is the regulator. Okay, we can use for like changing the grinding size. Like we can make it more fine from this side, we can make it more coarser by moving this side. And so this is the portafilter holder. Okay, the coffee grinds comes out from this area. Like I can show you, like I put it here, I can press the button, and the grinded coffee is coming out from there. So you can see there is a small display. Okay, so there I can set like how much coffee grind I need. I can set a time like 12 second or 11 second how much I need. So this is the whole area, and this is the whole things about coffee and coffee grinder. Thank you.